Hi there, welcome back to Part King. This is Wizkid, your Balogun, and he just performed at Paris. He's performing one of his greatest projects ever, Essence, and this time around he's doing it alone. I don't know how much you love Wizkid, but for me, he's very good. I think you should start having love for Wizkid. So he just performed right now at France, and he's doing absolutely well. Stay tuned for our next uploads and get the bell notification icon turned on so you don't have to miss any of our future videos. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section if you did enjoy this session of Wizkid's performance. Thank you.